Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to set iPhone ringtone on Android. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Google Chrome app on your Android device. In the address bar, type iPhone ringtone and tap search. From the results, choose any reliable link that provides iPhone ringtones. Browse through the available options and select the one you like. Once you find the ringtone you want, tap the download button. The file will download within a few seconds. After the download is complete, open the Settings app on your Android phone. Scroll down and tap on the Sounds and Vibration option. Next, select Ringtone. Here you will see the list of tones already available on your phone. To add your new one, tap the plus icon. Navigate to your recently downloaded file, select the iPhone ringtone and tap Done. The ringtone will now be set as your default. So that's basically how you can set iPhone ringtone on Android. And that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thanks.